Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel. So chapter number 1, 3, 4, 5, 9, 13, 14. These are the most important chapter you cannot leave on the choice. And these are less important but you have to do these chapters as well. 2, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So today we will do chapter number 11.2 exercise, which is very important for the short as well as long. Number 11, trigonometric function and their graph. Exercise 11.1, question number 1, 4, 9, 11, 12 and 15 are included. This I have already uploaded a video on it. And exercise 11.2, question number 1, part 1st, 3rd and 6 are included, and question number 2 is included. This is very important to prepare for the exam. Number 11.1 theorem 11.2 on page number 340. So this is all of the chapter. You have to prepare it very well and you have to prepare this table as well for the MCQs. So see on page number 339. And then the theorem, this is important for short. And then this theorem on page number 340. Then this exercise is important for MCQs. We are having 11.2, part 1st, 3 and 6 are included, and question number 2, part B is very important. Question number 3 is not included in the examination of 2021 reduced syllabus. So let's start our video. First we will do theorem on page number 339. This is important for short. Its statement is sine is a periodic function and its period is 2 pi. Or we have to prove the period of sine is 2 pi. So moving towards the proof. First we consider or let p be the period of sine function. So it will be like this: sine p theta is equal to sine theta. Theta belongs to real number, and this we study in exercise 11.1. Now if we put theta is equal to 0, we get sine p is equal to 0. Finding the value of p, sine inverse 0. Sine inverse 0 is 0 and it can be positive pi, positive and negative 2 pi and positive and negative 3 pi and so on. Put in the value of theta 0. Now we will put the value of p number 1. We will put the value of p pi. So sine theta plus pi is equal to minus sine theta. Sine is negative in the third quadrant, so we put here negative sign. Pi is not the period of sine theta. Now we will put p is equal to 2 pi in equation number 1, which is this one. So 2 pi we put here in the place of p. Then we open the formula: sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Cos alpha sin beta, which is equal to sin theta. Now putting the values, 2 cos 2 pi is 1 plus this all becomes 0. We get sin theta is equal to sin theta. So this is true, means 2 pi is the period of sin theta. So we have proved theorem number 11.1. We are having theorem number 11.2 on page number 340. We have to prove the period of tangent is pi. So let's start the proof. Same like the previous theorem, we suppose p is the period of tangent function. Same process, tangent is equal to theta plus p is equal to tangent theta. Now putting the value of theta 0. In the place of theta we put 0. So we get tangent p is equal to 0. Now we can find the value of p. P is tangent inverse 0, which is equal to tangent inverse 0 is equal to 0. So we get 0. P can be pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and so on like the previous one. Now putting the value of p pi in equation number 1, which is this one. In place of p we put pi is equal to Now opening the formula of tangent alpha plus beta is equal to tangent alpha plus tangent beta divided by 1 minus tangent alpha tangent beta. Think here for you, tangent alpha plus beta is equal to tangent alpha plus tangent beta divided by 1 minus tangent alpha tangent beta. When here is positive, this become negative and this will be remain positive. Now tangent 180 is 0, so this whole becomes 0, and tangent 180 is also 0, so this whole becomes 0. We are left with tangent theta plus 0 divided by 1 minus 0 into tangent theta. So 0 plus any number is that number or that value. Tangent theta divided by 1 minus, here this whole becomes 0, so 0. So it is equal to tangent theta divided by 1, and it is equal to tangent theta. Then tangent theta plus pi equal to tangent theta. Pi is the smallest value for which the tangent plus pi is equal to tangent theta. So pi is the period of tangent theta. This was the theorem number 11.2.